We're watching NYC, Clarence NYC reacting to Cenat, living with speed. Let's get into it.
Imagine he just crashed into my car. All right, we at Michael Center right now because we got to get ready for this stream. All right, speed. What? All right, so look, man, I know y'all probably didn't expect this collab, you know. Me and Kyle, you know, I got to get...
Bro, Speed has to put a shirt under the hoodie.
I gotta give me a laptop charger. My laptop charger. Yep. And I think I might get a cam link and a mic. So this is before the stream that y'all see. The stream that y'all see before. So look, we got a double date today. Are you ready for them? I'm kind of nervous. I don't know. You nervous? From 1 through 10. 5, 6. That ain't too bad. I ain't talked to in a little minute, to be honest. Bro, you've been talking to. Yo! Mr. Clean. Professor X. What the? Man, can I find? Oh my God, bro, Speed, come on, you gotta feel it, bro.
But how you just?
Oh my fucking God, man!
How you just gonna palm another dude's head like this? Like, hey, you bald. Does it happen a lot? I mean, if there's anybody out there on a petty fan that, you know, just went bald, you know, hey, just go ahead. Shout out to you. That's sexy sometimes. You know, if your ex is leaving anyway, just let it go, bruh. Just let it go. Sometimes it look right, you know? You can make it work. But do people just walk up to y'all and just be like, filming on your head? You know, I think that's rude. At least ask before you just stick your hand up there. That's rude.
Yo, wait, we about to go on a double date. You got any advice for us?
Throw your hair off, dress up as Johnny Sins, you'll be cool.
What?
So you want us to go bald like you? Good.
Really?
Like, that's bad advice.
It's like bald, bitch. Do they like bald?
Yeah, it's bold.
But do they like it though?
Do you like put Vaseline on your head? Bro, sometimes. You do?
Yeah.
That's tight, bro.
I ain't gonna lie, I don't think he can.
Gave me a 50% discount. Thank you, bro.
If only. 50%?
If only. Nah.
50%?
Come on, you gave me a store credit.
You got a discount?
Manager. Come on. No, it's... What is that, bro?
What do you mean?
Yeah,
what is that?
I don't know what dog that is.
See, that's
how my dog sounds.
Bro, shut the fuck up.
I look down on you, bro.
No, the fuck you don't.
No, you are the same height, bro.
Yeah, we are the same height. You see, man, I like that.
Damn, bro.
No, he looked down on you. It might just be an inch, but darn it, it count.
Hey, it's time to get some, bro. Come on, let's go. Right. Hey, y'all stay cool, bro. Hey.
I think he did mean Johnny Sins. The fact that y'all know who Johnny Sins is, though, and that's 3 girls that just said Johnny Sins, the porn star. Y'all some freaks in here, bro.
Hey, look at my baby.
Y'all some freaks in here.
Hey, hey.
Hey, how you doing?
Hey, how you doing?
Fine.
You fucking What the f? God damn. Who did this? Who is this?
Let's take a picture.
Alright.
Yo, whoever finds this, the video, if you find this picture,
yeah.
Make a TikTok out of it, and I will.
Yo, look, we in the A. So whatever Michael Center you find in the A, if you could get to this one right here, make a TikTok out of it, and we gonna see it. Hey. How you doing?
Hi.
Hey.
Definitely, I think this is the one I go to, too. This is the funny shit.
Are you serious right now?
I'd really like to do it.
This is dead to Michael Center. This nigga Chris be taking me to it. Yo, but what? This is dumb for you, though. Why she didn't give my nigga Speed a fucking dap, though?
Hey.
Are you serious right now?
I'd really like to do my job.
Are you serious right now, bro?
Hold on. Before we continue the video, this video is sponsored by Prize Picks. The NFL season is finally here. And I'll be doing daily fantasy on Prize Picks all season long. Prize Picks is the best.
Don't do that.
I will literally pay the money.
Yes, sir.
Look it up for your money.
You're right.
I gotta make sure you got everything, bro.
All right,
Damn.
we got the shit for the stream now.
Yep.
If I know how we stream, we bought the cam link, HDMI, laptop charger, and the mic. So we're A.
But I ain't gonna lie, we looking good right now.
We looking good.
Hey! Look what we got here.
Bruh.
You out here vaping?
Yes, sir.
Let me see it. Can I save your life today, bro?
Please don't do that.
Hey, no. Can I save your fucking life today,
Please
bro?
don't do that.
I will literally pay the money you pay for this if you just end vaping now, bro. Please, bro.
We'll cash out you right now.
I'll cash app you right now if we just put an end. Bro, I'm trying to, like, God sent me to make sure that you don't vape anymore, gang. Go.
Yeah, that vaping is bad, y'all. I love y'all too much not to tell you that, but yeah, don't vape, please. I ain't got no money to give you, though, so Kyle will forward you all the money for not vaping. He got me, don't you, sweetheart?
You know, I'll take this out. I'll take it.
How much? How much?
I paid like 200 something.
Okay. Speed, what we doing, Speed? I'm going to go ahead and, how much? Like what? 300? 300. Okay.
So,
okay, wait, hold on. What's your?
Why does this look so professional then?
Hey! Stop vaping! Stop vaping! Stop vaping! Stop vaping! Dad! Say goodbye!
You happy, bro?
Hell yeah.
Say goodbye!
Go for it. Break it. 3,
2.
No way, bro. This is crazy.
Fuck vape! Get that shit, Speed! Slam that shit! Pick it up, slam that shit.
What the fuck you mean?
Yo.
Ready to the house, Speed.
Yeah,
Is this the right one?
house.
This is the right one?
Bro, he gonna buy another one and he gonna get a little
So we got the B&B.
colder, some,
I got the best
some
room. I'm getting the best room
marijuana.
off rip.
Bro,
Do you want to bet? Do you want to bet?
What is he, bro?
I'm getting the best room off rip, bro.
I'm not getting shit, boy.
What the fuck?
Bruh, he tagging wrong. It's like this. You gotta, Yeah. Stop doing that. What the fuck is?
So how the fuck you do it?
You feel me? Like you be like, the fuck?
Oh my God! So
Bro,
look,
these niggas are stupid.
we got bitches coming to the crib. It's about to be.
Nah, he OD came up, bro. That vape was like $80, bro. He just came up. Nigga said, I paid like 200. Like, nigga, no, you didn't, nigga.
Big ass book bag, bro.
If you paid like 200, you was about to keep that, nigga. You wasn't even gonna hand that over.
Okay,
High
camping.
school. They like a sophomore in high school. Damn, I'm really taller than this boy. I'm taller than you, bro.
Stop.
You was a little nigga, dog.
Where do you think my other inches went? Yo, you're being weird. Okay, you see? You're being weird.
Nah,
Okay, that's
what?
not Ayo though. Is that Ayo? That's not
Ayo,
Ayo.
that's Ayo,
Just had a
that's
W stream. You feel what I'm saying?
Bro, when I tell you, I'm so horny. I'm horny as fuck.
You horny?
I wanna fuck you so bad.
Hey! Stop, bro. Come on, that's fucked up, bro. You my mans and you doing shit like that?
Like, ugly, bro.
Look, we got the girls over. You feel me? And you know, I'm gonna be living with you for a little bit. So stop
It's
playing
not me.
around, nigga.
Bro, that's him.
What the fuck?
It's not me.
So now
Why
I
they
think
in
we
the
go to
dark?
give them a house tour.
All right, back.
You feel me? Yo!
Ladies,
Yo, ladies.
Grand and Puerto
How y'all doing? But we done met mad times, but look, finally, y'all can get a tour. First of all, how y'all like this room real quick? You feel me? This is the master. Come over here. This is the bathroom. You feel what I'm saying? This is where, you feel me? Get a little, you feel me? Get a little tub, get a little.
It's gotta be a bubble bath. We gotta supply.
Stop! Whoa, come on.
So you can't be doing that.
Okay, but why the fuck was she about to turn on the fucking pipe?
Because.
Hey,
Are you fucking out of your fucking mind?
She turned the water off.
Well, this is
Nah, Speed, I can't.
You're right.
I wouldn't be able to be with Speed and like be with
jump
some
on the bed
drugs,
then.
bro.
Look, this is the left room. So,
They had to get up in the tub with their shoes on. They had to jump on the bed. They said, let's do everything you should not do in somebody else's house. Let's go.
They definitely took one of them pillows off. Like, niggas ain't about to just.
no, actually,
Jumping on my
that's
bed.
y'all room, but I got our room. Our room is coming up.
That part, Claire. Don't jump on my bed or on my pillows. Like, no. You get kicked out like that.
Don't worry about it.
Your room, yeah.
Okay. Got this right here. Now this is another room. You feel what I'm saying? You feel what I'm saying? Honestly, you can make yourself at home. Like, it don't even matter.
Not the
Ain't that
wig
right,
back, bro.
You feel what I'm saying? Like this one, like, you feel me? Are y'all calling y'all friends? See, look, she got your, oh, you know what I'm saying? Then we got our room right here. Our room is right here. Get nice and cozy. You feel what I'm saying? Nice and cozy. How you like this right here?
Speed is underage? No, he's not. Speed is
How you
like
feel about this, Speed?
17.
Like, do you see us here, like,
18, I
like,
think.
do you see us here, like, you feel me, like?
I make a good, like,
How you look? Let's at the kid. Oh, let's.
Oh, wait, let me not.
Come here.
See back there.
Come on, hold on. Come on. You gotta get, Fine. You feel what I'm saying? And look, we got our own bathroom right here. Like, it's our own bathroom.
This nigga don't
right
have a
here.
shirt, bro.
See-through shower.
Bro, this nigga.
Speed lost his shirt like in the last room. He's like, I'm already halfway there, sweetheart. You got white Speed. He underage, but he full of it. Baby boy.
Don't have a shirt, bro.
Ooh.
I'm not gonna lie.
Okay.
But how you know these, bro? How you know these girls ain't 17?
I like it, you know. When
you gotta ID them. You gotta ID them. Y'all be careful out there in these streets. Them girls look older than they are. They ain't gonna tell you neither. You gonna have a whole charge when her mama found out, bruh.
Shorty right here looks 17.
Hey, I need.
Don't she? She look 13, 17, 15, 14. She don't look 18. She definitely don't look 21. Nah. It don't crack, but it don't wiggle either now. Come on now. Think about it. See some IDs. You can't just look at their social media, sweetheart.
Like toilet paper, you know what I'm saying? Like, you feel what I'm saying? Like, you guys, this is y'all crib tonight. Like, whatever y'all want to do.
You're gonna have to pay her mama off. I'm sorry I'm being petty, y'all.
You know, this is on y'all.
Speed don't look scared, bro. He look being himself.
Freestyle on the screen.
I ain't said that.
On the blade.
God damn.
I knew it, bro. Bro, I knew it was coming, bro. I know Speed. Nigga said I want to touch it.
I'm gonna get it right.
God damn. It's so soft. You feel what I'm saying?
I might touch it. Right?
I ain't gonna lie. He said you want to touch your ass. I'm sorry, bro.
No.
He's still fading on that ass.
Yeah, nigga said I want it. Nigga said I'm just be honest.
Can I please touch that ass?
Say it again. I like when you bang.
Please. No. Hey, stop, bro. Come on, you don't do that, bro.
No, he gotta have better. He gotta.
You feel me? You don't do that, bro.
He gotta think more of himself.
You like it. All right, so I ain't gonna lie. We gotta order some food.
He gotta think more of himself right there.
Okay, but I gotta order it to the other crib though.
Okay.
I like when you bacon. It's crazy. That's a red flag.
That's a red flag, sir. Thank you, Claire. Thank you, Claire. Y'all paying attention out there. You know, sometimes it's too easy. And it's too easy for a reason, bruh. You gotta think. You gotta think like, hey, my bank account say this. Do I want to give this girl the rest of my money for the rest of my life? Nah. At least for 18 years, like, it sounds like a trap. Might be.
But
Real quick.
we like it
Extra crispy, extra red. Yeah, so, but unfortunately, when I go, like, you're gonna have to leave because I gotta stream. Bro, you gotta leave after when I gotta stream, like, when you go to the MP crib. Yeah, so.
Nigga said, can I please touch your ass?
You're gonna have to leave. But I'll come back tomorrow, though. You feel me? Yeah. Yeah, bro, you know, you got here today and I've been with you for hours on hours on hours, bro. We done did so much shit. I don't even think, I ain't gonna lie, bro. The transition between Chris probably, like, kind of messed up. Like, CB, I don't know how you gonna put this together, but god damn, this shit been crazy. How you liking Atlanta, though? And you seen John? John just left. Have you seen him?
Yeah.
Yeah, he just left. John just left and he came over. You feel what I'm saying?
The fuck did he just say? But then my shit just go mute or
why you couldn't make it? Why wasn't you just left? John just left.
Claire, I show Speed is tripping. He just mouthed it all to us, sweetheart. It ain't nothing wrong with your sound. Ain't nothing wrong with man.
Oh no, he's doing that.
And you seen John? John just left. Have you seen him?
Yeah.
Yeah, he just left. John just left and he came over. You feel what I'm saying? And like, bro, we just had a whole summer party. But why you couldn't make it? Why wasn't you there?
Fortunately, I had a doctor's appointment. You know, my knee had an absorbent of a 2 diameter, so I had to get surgery on my knee.
Oh shit.
That hurt. Yeah, you ain't ready for that girl then. You got knee problems, bro. Oh, you need a doctor's note. I'm gonna tell your mom on you.
Yo, so like the AMP guys is here, right? I think you to tell Davis and Agent they some bitch ass niggas. Oh fuck.
Oh, that's light.
That's some bitch ass niggas, man.
Who are you talking about? Who's he talking about?
Oh shit.
I think he's talking to Agent.
I think he's talking about you. Hey, you should handle that.
What the fuck?
Hey, he's not talking to me.
You guys are some bitch ass
Oh my fucking god.
niggas.
Oh my god, that's crazy. Under the roof, I would have. Come on, you see this nigga right here? You wanna beef with a nigga like? You wanna beef with a nigga like this?
This nigga just got out the pen.
He literally just got out the pen
got out of jail.
for murder. He literally just got out of jail for murder.
And what?
He killed
Agent
like
went to
3
jail?
niggas on a bridge.
Beat him up, Agent. Don't you be using that word in nobody's house. That's just rude. It's just plain rude.
Oh my God. Oh my God. Oh my God. Oh my fucking God. Oh my God. Oh my God. Oh my fucking God. Oh my God. Oh shit. Oh my God. Yo, speed. What the fuck? Speed, stop. You're out of control, bro. Stop.
Who fight like this? When they start doing this? What the flexing of the fist got to do with it? Y'all let me know. Y'all comment below. I don't know. Is that the new way to fight? Looks like you gonna get hit in your face before you finish doing this, right? I don't know. Y'all let me know. This is something I should watch out for. Like, is that the new way? You gotta warm up the fist or something? What's up with that?
I'm not gonna lie, a nigga like that would never get beat up though. I'm not gonna lie, like, cause niggas ain't gonna want to fight that kid.
Yeah, that whole barking thing will throw you off. That's your protection right there, that barking. But thank you for watching, y'all. Like, comment, subscribe, share if you can. Click the bell and become part of the Know Those Squad. We love you.